Where is she?
First time we've done it. Is somebody doing it, or is the movie channel?
If it's that like center, wouldn't it be like farther away?
If it was what?
If it was like that New Year's wedding.
Oh yeah.
That's just right over there.
It's in the field right here.
Oh wow. I can hear people. Wow, this is awesome.
Look. Over here, buddy. You can see him over there. Is he going? What is it?
Oh, good.
Did he come out?
Yep. He ran to the back gate. You can see them there, I think.
But the tree's in the way. It's a giant tree that is in the way. Mommy, you're missing them. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Whoa, what the heck? I need my gloves. I need my... Whoa! Dad, hold this. I need my gloves.
Your car lights are on.
I don't know. How come the car lights are on?
You want to sit in the car?
Oh,
Okay, car.
we won't be out here long.
Go.